How can I make an ad like this for this product using SodaMarketing AI without needing any filming, design, or video editing? Let's take a look. The first step is to create your brand. We'll click on brand and then hit create brand. Then, you enter your brand's information. Next, choose the industry you work in. You can choose from these options or select others and write your own fields. Then, we select the country where your business is located. Next, we upload the logo like this. There are other details we can fill in for the brand. And when we're done, we click Create Brand. Now your brand is ready on SodaMarketing AI. And you can start creating amazing creatives, ads, and social media posts. As we're about to see now, the first step I'll take to create ads is to click on Generate and then to train a product. Then I'll write the name of my product. After that, I'll select the brand I just created. Then I'll specify whether this product is clothing or accessories that someone can wear, or if it's another type of product. In our case here, it's another type of product, so we'll choose No. Next, I'll upload the available images I have for this product. I can upload any images I have of the product, whether I took them with my phone or found them online. Then I click on Train Product Model. Then I'll wait for the training to finish, and it will show as completed. Now I'll click on Generate so I can create the awesome ads I want for my product. This way, I can make as many ads as I want for my product, whether they're images or videos. I'll choose the size and then select my product. And here I have more than one option. There's also the quick option, which is a fast way to create an ad using ready-made ideas available here on SodaMarketing AI. And I also have prompting, reimagine, and advanced. We're going to use reimagine and reimagine. That means if I want to make an ad similar to a certain one, I'll go to Pinterest to get ideas for ads and I'll type keyword ads. Then I'll look for an ad that I like. For example, I like this ad. I'll open the ad like this. Then I'll save the image or download the ad's picture to my device. After that, I'll choose Reimagine and upload the reference image that I want to create a similar ad for my product, and then I'll click Generate. And just like that, I have an ad that's almost exactly like the reference ad I chose. It's absolutely amazing. It's incredible. Now I'll click on Convert Video to generate a video version of this ad. I'll click on AI Suggest Concept so that SodaMarketing AI can suggest an idea for my video. Now I have the concept, and I can review it and edit anything I want if I need to. Then I click Next, enhance my prompt so that SodaMarketing AI can turn this idea into a full prompt that will produce an amazing video. Now I have a complete description for the video. I can also review it if I want to edit anything. Then I click Generate Video and wait a few minutes. And just like that, as we can see, I have an amazing video, the same one we saw at the beginning of the video. It's something truly wonderful, and we made it so simply and very quickly.